Peter Eliades with you again, Stock Market Cycles Update for Tuesday, February 11th. Hopefully going to be a short one today, just a couple of things to show you. Things are working out just like the projections said they would, at least so far. This is not the chart I want to start out with. Actually, I want to start out with a closing price chart. And here it is right here. So, we gave you a minimum upside close, or we didn't give you the projection software I gave you. Minimum upside close on the S&P of 3367.04 all the way up to 3400.54. Now, we got pretty close to that today. The minimum upside 3367 and change, small change, and the close today was 3357.75. So you can see how close it was. Has not made it yet, and there's no reason, at least yet, to think we will not make it. Remember, we showed you some bottom to top counts yesterday that ended today and one of them tomorrow. So we're thinking in this time zone of yesterday, today, we may see some kind of top. We didn't quite get up to the minimum expectation today. And this is on the S&P. On some of the other indexes, we're still quite a bit away. But if we meet one of them, then we're going to start getting very cautious in terms of the market. And we came very close to doing that today. So this is the closing price projection for the S&P. Nominal 20-day projection, 7 to 8 day offsets. The black is 7 days, the red is an 8-day offset. You say an offset of what? If you're new to this, it's very simple. See this high here? You count over 7 days and it's represented right here. That's 7 days and this is the 8th day. So you just move the actual closing prices over 7 and 8 days to the right, and they give you nominal 20-day projections. Okay, let's take a look at the same projections on a bar chart. Here it is with the S&P. The minimum upside 3382.22. Today's high was 3375.63. Really close, only about 7 points away there. So you can see how close we are to meeting these nominal 20-day projections. When we were down here about a week ago, everyone, well, not everyone, a lot of people said, well, you're never going to reach your projections there, Eliades. You'll never get up there. Well, here we are today, really close to them. Okay, what I want to show you now very quickly and end this whole thing is we do these same projections in the Globex. And remember, Globex doesn't always have the exact same highs and lows. And obviously, because it trades almost 24 hours a day, you get different turning points in terms of time and sometimes in terms of price. But look at this. This is really very interesting on the Globex projections. So what we're looking at now, let's make sure that this is the right one. Okay, we want to look at this one. This is the equivalent of the nominal 20-day projections, which are 7 and 8 day offsets on the Globex charts. And look at this. This is interesting. The minimum upside on Globex was 3371.25. Today's high was 3375.63. We met that projection, the nominal 20-day projection on the Globex. You can see it happen right in here. We got, on a minimum basis, there's a lot more room to the upside here, but on a minimum basis, you can now say all projections on the Globex charts have been met. That's the nominal 20-day projection. We also have the nominal 5-week projections, the next longer one, and look at this. Now let's follow this projection. By the way, note the downside projection that was given here. This was virtually perfect. Now this is for the second low that we saw. Let me go back to the prior chart quickly and show you. This is interesting. Notice in here, the first low that was met, pinpointed by the projections right here. Now the next low was right in here. You say, well, you went lower than that. Yeah, you went lower than that. And guess what? This next chart gave you the perfect downside for these projections, okay? So here's the downside projection. Now on the upside projections, notice how they took place. You're measuring from this low down here, And where did they cross the line? Well, the first line was crossed right about here, and the second one significantly higher, and that's what causes this great big projection window, because you take both these crosses into consideration. But even the nominal 5-week projection today, which called for a minimum of 33.73.49, and the high today was 33.75.63, got met today. Okay, let's close this all off. A lot of people have asked the question, when is the projection software going to be ready? We were on track for the end of this month, the end of February, beginning of March. Unfortunately, my little buddy programmer in Switzerland, used to be Switzerland, he's now in Bulgaria, got caught up with a flu the past week or two. So hopefully you're watching this, Stefan. Hopefully you're out there, and hopefully you're feeling better. But we still are. We're really getting quite close to having a marketable product here. And hopefully a lot of you out there are interested in it when you can see the kind of results you get with this software. Thanks for watching. You haven't subscribed yet, do so, bottom right of the screen. We did get finally to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, all of you, for those of you who have subscribed. And when you do subscribe, click on the little bell that comes up, and that'll notify you when any of these updates goes on, whether it be an intraday one or a regular daily update. Thanks a lot for watching.